All right, folks, what is going on? Ontarian here, passive income guru. If you're here, let me just tell you this: you're in for a treat. You're in for a life changing strategy that is going to change your life financially. And what I need you to do, real quick, is to focus with me. Okay. There's a lot of stuff out there online, a lot of information. But if you focus with me, I can promise you that I'm going to take you places. All right. 2025 is upon us. It's around the corner. What I need you to do again is to really phase out a lot of the noise that you've been hearing in 2024 that has held you back from your goals. Okay. And I'm talking about in a financial sense. My goal this year, and I'm only working with a tight knit group of people, 100 people, 100. If I can work with and help 100 laser focused people, then I'm going to be a happy camper. I'm going to be very, very happy. If it's more than that, great. But 100 people who can focus with me and take action and know where they want to be financially, that is very powerful. I want you to think about the owner of Facebook. He didn't have too many people that started the company with him. As a matter of fact, he had I believe the story is told that one guy said, "Hey, this is crazy. I'm gone," and that guy would have been a billionaire today. So think about where you are today, and think about where you want to be in the next year or so. If you were not happy or are not happy with your results in 2024, then you got to make some changes. Okay. And you gotta get out of your comfort zone. That's really what it comes down to. It's not about the opportunities, it's about getting out of your comfort zone and really going after what you want. Being hungry. Okay. And that's what I want to challenge you to do. Be hungry for what you want, no matter how bad or daunting it looks on the end. Okay. Will it be worth it? Okay. Will it be worth it? Right? What would your life be like if you had an extra 5 to 10K per month coming in and not in the next 90 days? How would your life change? How would your life change? Okay. So what I'm going to do again, if you're listening to this, I'm gonna leave a link. There's gonna be a link to my Telegram group. It's free to join. Okay, the Telegram group is free. And in that Telegram, you're going to have videos like this where I'm going to take you through a series, okay? And I'm going to point you to what you need to start, what you need to do, okay? And I'm going to do my best to take you in baby steps, okay? So because some people that's coming in, like maybe like yourself, if you're listening, maybe you're new, maybe you don't know anything about anything that I'm going to be talking about, and that's okay. The difference, listen to this, I'm giving you a couple things to think about. The difference between where you are right now financially and where you want to be is education. That's number one. You may want to write that down. Let me say it again. The difference between where you are right now financially and where you want to be is simply education. Okay? Simply education. Okay? Number two, definitely write this down. Definitely write this quote down. This is going to change your life. In education, a traditional college degree education, it can and it will eventually make you a living. But my friend, a skill will make you a fortune. I want you to write that down, meditate on it, read it every day, read it to your kids. Okay. That is what those two things I just told you about education, about skill set, will change the way you think about money. It is going to change your life. So focus, focus, focus. All right. So let's get into it. Let me go ahead and this is just really an introductory video. Let me go ahead and share my screen. What I need you to do, first things first, I need you to bookmark this particular page here. I'm going to have this in the group. We're going to be coming back to this page. You're going to be coming to this page here eventually. So I need you to bookmark this page right here. Again, I'm going to have this link in the Telegram group. Okay. So here's the formula, guys. Simple, but very impactful. Very simple, very impactful. The emphasis here, and I want to implore you, I want to exhort you to really, really think about this and test me or not if it's not true. If it's not true. If it's true, then of course, standing ovation, right? Standing ovation. If it's not, then you can turn off your computer right now, put down your cell phone, go about your business. But if what I'm saying is true, then you have the audacity to keep listening, right? You have the audacity to go ahead and ride this wave with me, because I want to help as many people as I can. Again, only a certain percentage of people. My ultimate goal is 1,000 people, laser focused people who follow my lead. But out of that 1,000, statistics have shown that only 10% is going to do the work. So that's why I say 100 people. You ever seen that movie 300? He could have went out and got a ton of more men, right? But why did he choose 300? Because those men were committed to him. Those men were committed to the cause. Powerful movie. 300. Okay. My number is 100. Okay. My number is 100. So the passive income formula is very simple. We have this number one is the most important aspect of this formula. If you don't have this, ladies and gentlemen, you're not in business. Point blank. I don't care what you're doing. You can be selling perfume. You can be selling ice cream on a corner. If you don't have cash flow coming in on a regular basis, I don't care if it's, I don't care if, ladies and gentlemen, look, I don't care if it's $200 to $500 a month. If you don't have something coming in, you're not in business. Okay, so we have to establish a foundation, which is cash flow. Okay, let me get another color that stands out, which I know, which is red. We have to establish cash flow. This is the most important. This is what we're going to focus on. And as you can see, when you go to phase, and these are phases, by the way, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. That's all we need. Okay. Between these two phases alone, ladies and gentlemen, your income potential is unlimited. Let me say that again. Between phase 1 and phase 2, your income is unlimited. I put 5 to 10K a month just that's on the low end. Okay, we got people. The information I'm going to share with you in this space, we got people in this space, and with the skills I'm going to share with you, right? The skill set, or the what's my word? The niche that I'm going to share with you. We got folks making 5 to 10K in a week. Okay. So between phases 1 and 2 alone, ladies and gentlemen, your income is unlimited. All right. Think about your if you're working a job right now, 9 to 5, your income is not unlimited. Your income is capped. You know exactly what you're bringing in every week because you've been there for a while, right? And think about this. As the years go on, it's going to be in your favor. It's going to be imperative. I'm going to say imperative. It's going to be Very important to have multiple streams of income, and that's the other thing I'm going to be hearing me say a lot of. You're going to be hearing me say a lot of about cash flow with an emphasis. You're going to be talking, and I'm going to be talking about multiple streams of income. Okay, you go out and ask any millionaire how many income streams they have. I guarantee you that they're not going to say just one. I guarantee you they're going to say, okay, I got this income stream, I got this income. They got several income streams going on. If you guys are familiar with the ex-basketball player, okay, Hall of Famer Shaquille O'Neal, okay, look up his just Google his assets, okay. He spread his wealth as far as he could. And those things are making him money every single day, 7 days a week, 24/7, guys. Okay. He put his money into certain things that he knows that consumers are going to buy, and that's smart business, because he understands what Shaquille O'Neal understands: cash flow. Shaquille O'Neal understands residual income, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. And with all that said and done, guess what? We can take a portion of that money, a large amount of that money, and start to do something very magical with it, which is called compound that thing. Okay. And when that thing starts to compound, it takes on a mind of its own. You talking about multiplying your money that you worked hard for up here? Oh, it gets real sexy when you get down to number 3. Real sexy. Okay. So this is what I'm going to bring to the table. I'm going to present to you the opportunities that I suggest that can bring you these things. Okay. And what I need you to do, I need you, again, to focus with me. Focus with me. Okay. These opportunities I'm going to bring to you, they're going to look like they're unreachable. They're going to look like they're undoable. That's all in your mind. Did you know you can before you become rich physically? There's something else you can write down. Write these things down. It's going to change the way you think. Before you become rich physically, you become rich mentally. Ooh, that's powerful. Let me say it again. Before you become rich physically, before it shows up in your bank, before you can touch it, you have to become, and this is a true statement, you have to become rich mentally. When you do that, ladies and gentlemen, the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. Okay. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and end this. This again is an introductory video. Next video, we're going to get to the nitty-gritty. We're going to start on phase 1. We're going to talk about the opportunities that I feel going into 2025 will do you very well financially, to really take this passive income formula into another level to help you and your family. Again, the whole name of the game in the end, ladies and gentlemen, is to leave a legacy. Teach this stuff to your kids. Show this video to your kids. Okay, if they're of age to where they can understand what I'm saying, show it to them. This is going to teach them early. Show them all the videos. Okay, that way you can start to plant that seed. Let them know that, hey, going to getting education is okay, but having your own entity in the end is the win-win situation. Okay, all right. That's what we want to teach our children. That's called generational wealth, ladies and gentlemen. Generational wealth starts with education. Starts with passing down the education, the strategies that came before you. That came before you. Okay. So next video, again, I want to take you guys slow as possible to get this in your brain, to get it in your DNA so that you will make the right decision. And again, I'm here We're going to get down and dirty. Okay, we're going to get in the trenches. I need you to get out here again. We got to get out of our comfort zone. You ask anybody, any successful person, okay, did they fail before did they crawl? You heard? Well, let me just say that you've heard of the slogan, you got to crawl before you walk. That's in anything. Okay, we did it, and we did it as babies. You got to do it in business as well. You got to crawl, you got to fall before you crawl, before you get up and walk. You're gonna fall down. Okay, so don't be afraid to fail. Right? I failed. You know, I've lost count how many times I failed, ladies and gentlemen. I'm still here. I'm still here. Okay, so go ahead and if you're new, if you're on this video, click the link below. Get in the Telegram group. Okay, read the pin post. There's an introductory video I want you to see in the pin post. Okay, and then stay tuned to our first official cash flow generating video. You're going to stay tuned for that coming up. I'm going to say as early as today's Friday. I'll go ahead and probably do it on Sunday or Monday. Okay, but I want you guys to really meditate on this first. I'm going to take it slow. Again, I'm not going to hit you all at once to overwhelm you. I want to take it slow. I want you to think of this as going back to school, but in a good way. Okay, many of us went to school. We graduated college, high school, right? We put that time in 4+ years. Some of you may got your master's degree. You put those grueling hours in. Okay, and what did you put it in for? To go really work for somebody else. This right here. Think of it going back to school, but think of it as creating your own financial empire. It's going to be something special, something very special that you can really, really take to another level. Okay, so thanks for watching. Again, my name is Ontarian. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell notification, and hit me up on Facebook as well. Add me as a friend. I'm all over social media. I'm not hard to find. You could also book a time to speak with me as well. Okay. All right. So you guys enjoy your weekend. Hey, let's make 2025 a year of remembrance. Okay. You guys take care. Hey, enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend. Have a great one. Peace out.